Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me Garmin Dash Cam Tandem, and I'm gonna show you how to change units on this device. So which units does we have? We have only speed. Speed we can measure in kilometers, in miles, and feet. In the pounds. So for example, open the settings, click the Sit and Tandem, and here scroll down and find here units and time. Speed units. Oh, so metric and American. So for example, I want to use metric, so normal unit. Date and time format. Month, date and year, or date, month and year, or year, month and date. Oh my gosh, who uses it? Month, date and year. Why I want to use day, month and year, so it's normal showing the date and time. It's logical. Time format, 12 hours or 24. Of course 24 hours. Why we need 12 hours format? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.